Guys, I just made a quick stop right here, all right, randomly in the middle of the highway. Look at that. Okay, because I found something very interesting. Look at that thing, you know? Yeah, it looks like a big ship, a vessel. All right, that's a gymnasium. All right, we will try to get there closer to have a closer look. And yeah, it looks like a vessel in the middle of the swamp. Yeah, it's like a mangrove swamp here in this area. Look at the surroundings. Yeah. So cool. Yeah, MV Doña Damiana. Yeah, it's the name of the vessel is MV Doña Damiana. Alright, so let's try to get in there to have a closer look. Alright, from here I can see many chairs. I think they are holding some kind of program. Yeah, see that? Very cool ship in the middle of the swamp. It seems like there's an office. Okay, I don't know if it is a local government office or barangay office. And yeah, look at this. And it's a gymnasium. Oh, basketball court also. So it's a multi-purpose that looks like a vessel. Look at that. So you see that? Wow, very interesting. There's a bathroom there. And yeah, cool. Let's head back to the motorcycle. Let's hit the road again. There's the Gisi Beach, Gisi Lighthouse. So you see this one, the Gisi Lighthouse. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so I just got here. The entrance point going to Gisi Point and Lighthouse, yeah. And I have to register myself here.
Here, environmental fee for barangay.
Yeah. Magkano te?
10 peso it.
Yeah, with me are the staff here at the, at this tourist spot of Gisi Lighthouse. See you later po.
Okay.
Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Gisi Point Lighthouse. There you go. Yeah, Gisi Point Lighthouse. And oh, it's a rough road now going up there. It's a lot of fun. I'm now heading towards the Gisi Lighthouse, and the trek going there is a bit slippery because I think it rained last night, so that's why it's kind of slippery right here, so you have to be very careful. Hello po. Hi. Hi. And then yeah. Oh my God. Okay, right there actually you can see the ocean. Yeah, I see the signage now. Welcome to Gisi Lighthouse. I don't know the story behind. I'm hoping there's like a small, like a piece of information that you can read. Oh, it's a landslide prone area. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, damas y caballeros, bienvenidos a Gisi Lighthouse right here in Barangay Dolores, municipality of Nueva Valencia in the province of Guimaras. And look at that. Look at that spectacular, magnificent white beach here. Oh, I can see it from here. Okay, so I'm now walking inside the lighthouse vicinity, and yeah, it's already dilapidated, rusted, but I think this is a new one. Yeah, but all right. So behind me is the very original, okay, the lighthouse, right, way back in the late 1800s, built by the Spanish colonial government here in the Philippines. So look at that amazing structure. It's, of course, you know, obviously it's very lots of rusts already. Okay, it's dilapidated. It's still standing proud here. Okay. Nanay is actually selling mango ice candy, right, for just 10 pesos a piece. Yeah, I think it's time to have a quick snack with this mango ice candy made by Nanay. Hello po. And this is how it looks like. Look at that. You know, we know already that Guimaras is famous for mango. So obviously, why can't we make ice candy out of mango? Right. So yeah, there you go. I'll get one. Yes, yes, I will do that. Thanks. Oh, it's almost 12 noon, and this one is really a perfect match, just to, you know, to cool you down. Yeah, mango ice cream, baby. No, mango ice candy, baby. To visit here at Gisi Lighthouse, you can drop by the Nanay's mango ice candy. Anong name mo, Nay? Ano pong name mo?
Lucette.
Si Nanay Lucette. Yeah. Alright, so I just finished eating that very delicious mango ice cream. No, mango ice candy. not ice cream, huh? Mango ice candy for just 10 pesos. And I saw this little pathway, okay, going down to the ocean. See that? Yeah, why not, why won't we try this one? Okay. Let's just do it slowly. It's kind of steep and slippery a little bit. Wow. And Nanay upstairs told me that these are the municipalities of, like, such as Oton, Gimbal, Niagao, and then to the westernmost, okay, to the leftmost, that's already southern part of the province of Antique. Yeah. All right, so it's time to head to the beach, which is just nearby. All right, and this is the tariff. Entrance fee for adult is 40, 20 pesos for child. I don't know what's the name. It's Tahi Beach Resort. See that? Yeah. All right, so it's time to head down to the beach. Look at that waves, guys. Very inviting waves. Yeah. The waves are calling us. The waves are calling you. The waves are calling everyone. Yeah, see that? Yeah. and there's like a cove right there at the end. And this where I came from a while ago when I went to the Lighthouse, and then I went down there. So yeah, that's the point. Alright, so it's a Saturday noon time, so a lot of people, a lot of locals, actually most of these people are coming from Iloilo, and they came down here in Guimaras to enjoy the weekend. Yeah, so look at these people. A lot of people are enjoying the beach here. So yeah, swimming. The white sand beach, well, it's not really totally white, it's kind of off-white. And yeah, lots of locals, lots of people are having their meals. Yeah, see that? And it goes all the way up there, the property of this beach resort. There you go. Okay, so after beach time, I'll head back to Jordan War to, you know, go back to mainland Iloilo City proper. And yes, I really enjoyed here so far here in Guimaras, and with this amazing coastline, friendly locals. Yeah, very lovely and friendly locals. And what can I ask for more? You know, I'm really enjoying Guimaras. It's a quiet, simple, but amazing province of Guimaras. Come on, let's go to the ocean. All right. Second round of mango ice candy right here by the beach. Right. Thank you, Te. All right, so I'm now heading back to my Honda Beat to go back to Jordan. And this is actually where you have to pay your entrance fee. And as I mentioned, it's 40 pesos for adult, 20 pesos for children. Yeah. All right, bye-bye. Look at the ocean, look at the beach. Alright guys, on my way back to Jordan, you know, while traversing this very nice highway of Guimaras, okay, with this motorcycle, with this Honda Beat, I saw this cute little coffee shop right here. Yeah, okay. And alright, what the name of this coffee shop is Shams Mobile Food Cart. And look at this, I'll show you the menu. So they have yeah, different kinds of coffee. All right, different blends of coffee. All right, they also have milk tea and yeah, some snacks, some foods. Yeah, and of course I asked for brewed coffee because that's what I need now, because I feel a little bit of a sleepy riding this scooter. And then that's my this is my table, and here's my coffee. Coming to me now. handled with care by Kuya. Yeah, a precious brewed tea ever. And the brown sugar, of course. Thank you so much, Kuya. Alright, short coffee break is done. I'm now going to pay and then head back going to Jordan. Magkano po?
49.
49. Okay. Yeah. Because why? Why did I stop? I'll show you. You know, I already mentioned to you that Guimaras is famous for its, one of the best mango varieties in the world. Yes, it's sprawling. I mean, lots of mango farms here in Guimaras. Okay, dotting the lines along the highways here, and I'll show you one of them. Okay, this is the mango farm here. See that? Lots of mango trees. Yeah, and they're actually covered. The mango fruit, as you can see there, they are covered by with paper. It's part of the process of having, or harvesting the best mangoes here. All right, let's go. Alright guys, I found another mango farm here along the highway, and let's check it out. Okay, wow, here there are many mango trees, as you can see. There are horses also. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think, yeah, there are 3 horses at least that I can see from here. Lots of mango trees. I'm now back almost to Jordan Wharf. So guys, I'm back at Jordan Wharf. As you can notice, I didn't show you videos of what I ordered at the pit stop there at Barangay San Miguel in the main town of Jordan. The thing is, alright, I'll explain it to you. Yeah, I ordered, but they're running out of a solo size pizza. They only have a family size, and obviously I cannot finish the whole thing. So yeah, I just left. Okay, so now I'm back here at the Jordan Wharf. Alright, see that? Time check right now, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's very hot here. Yeah. Okay, and the good thing here at the wharf, they have a smaller version of pit stop restaurant. It's a kiosk, and they have it there. Still, they don't have solo size, but at least they have yeah, it's called double size, which is a lot smaller than family size. So might as well, I'll just try that one than nothing. So I ordered the double size mango pizza. So Kuya is already preparing it, and while waiting, I'm here outside shooting some videos. So I think it's ready. I'll now go back there. So this is the pit stop restaurant, a kiosk here. All right. So this is the food place they have here at the wharf. Okay. All right. So I'll show you the menu of the pit stop. Okay. So we have ham and cheese, Hawaiian Supreme, blah blah blah, and the famous mango pizza here. All right. Now let's go to the columns of sizes. So obviously they don't have solo. Okay, and then they have double, and this is what I ordered, 319 pesos. Family is 429. Obviously I cannot finish that. And the biggest one they have is the 14 inches clan, which is 579. Yeah. So Okay, so I have here now the pizza mango pizza. So let's do the unboxing here. And of course let's start to dig in. And all right, so let me just show to you the box. All right, the print on the box. Okay, there you go. So it says here the pizza restaurant, the first mango pizza. All right, cool. There you go. Wow, let's try this one. All right, they have a hot sauce. They have the tomato ketchup, yeah, and the pizza. All right, guys, I know some of my followers, my friends out there, they don't like you know, Hawaiian pizza, like pineapple on a pizza. They don't like to have that type of pizza. Okay, so this is a mango pizza. So, well, I'll just leave it up to you guys. And yeah, I kind of like it. Yeah, because you know, well, I love Hawaiian pizza, of course, and one of my favorite fruits is mango. So yeah, I'm actually enjoying it. Look, I already had my first bite. Yeah, shout out to my friend Romeo, bro. This is for you, huh? Mango pizza. I know you hate the Hawaiian pizza, all right? Okay, but this is for you. Mango pizza. Shout out to you, bro, Romeo. Okay, so they have the real fruit, real mango fruit that they have put it on top of it, and then lots and lots and lots of cheese. Yeah, and they have this red bell pepper, and yeah, I added some, again, as I mentioned a while ago, hot sauce to give some kick to it. Yeah, I finished the whole thing. I finished. All right. Sorry about that. But I was talking while my mouth is full. All right, so I finished everything. The double-sized pizza. Yeah, I love it. As you can see, everything is finished. So I think this is the ferry back to Iloilo. Again about. Thank you. And that's the boat that brings me back to Iloilo. So that's the boat that I took, yeah, from Guimaras, from Jordan Guimaras. Alright, I will now find a taxi to bring me to my hotel where I'm staying here in Iloilo. And I'm shattered, I'm tired, I'm sweating, and I really need a good, cool shower. No taxi, just jeepney. So yeah, here I am in a jeepney. Look how busy the Parola Wharf is here in Iloilo. Lots of actions, lots of activities going on. See that? Okay, you know, after I got here in the hotel from my Guimaras trip, I was so tired, shattered, so you know, I went to bed for like an hour. So now I'm refreshed. Yeah, I have restarted myself, and I have full of energy again. But yeah, so I really love that Guimaras experience with the motorcycle. So explored, well, not the whole island, but at least most visited places there, at least. And yeah, I hope to, you know, go back there again. So anyhow, if you like this video, please let me know by hitting the like button and then subscribe down below. And also please don't forget to hit the notification bell for you to know the upfront the latest videos that I'm going to share with you guys. So yeah, thank you so much again and see you on the next adventure. Bye for now.